If you've ever wondered which attachments to use for what on your KitchenAid Stand Mixer, I'm here to help. Let's have you doing less work and your stand mixer doing more. I'm Shelly with Art from My Table, and in another video, I tell you a bunch of ways that you can use your paddle attachment, and you can find that video right here. Today we're going to talk about the whisk attachment, also known as the wire whip, and the dough hook. So let's get started on the wire whip. This attachment is designed for incorporating air into the things that you're making. Here are some things that you can do with your wire whip. First, whipped cream. Now I know it's not as convenient as pulling a can out of the fridge, but the flavor is so much better and it's 100% natural and there's no processed ingredients in it. Here's a pro tip. Put your bowl and your attachment in the freezer prior to making your whipped cream. To make the whipped cream, just pour your heavy cream in, add your sweetener. You can also add an extract if you'd like. Simply turn it on and let it whisk away. You want to stop it when stiff peaks begin to form. Now to take it a step further, you could actually make butter. So you want to go beyond the whipped cream stage. So let your mixer keep on running and eventually the ingredients will separate. You'll have solid chunks of butter and you'll have some liquid that remains in the bowl. That liquid is buttermilk. It's perfect for whipping egg whites, making things like meringues, macaroons, angel food cake, really anything that calls for whipped egg whites. Another great use for it is for whipping eggs. If you're serving scrambled eggs to a crowd, or you'd like to make some little egg muffins or mini frittatas, it does a perfect job. Traditional mashed potatoes are great, but I love a good whipped mashed potatoes. They're lighter and airier and just delicious. After adding all of your ingredients, just turn it on to high speed to get a beautiful texture. It's also great for making things at home that you would normally buy at the store, like marshmallows or even mayonnaise. Now the color of your homemade mayonnaise largely depends on your eggs and your oil. For my mayonnaise, I use farm fresh eggs and the yolks are a very bright orange color. And I also opt for olive oil, which is yellow. This wire whip is not dishwasher safe because the hub is actually made of aluminum. So it will eventually get damaged if you put it in the dishwasher. There is another wire whip. It's called the 11 wire whip and it has more prongs on it and it comes with select models, or you can order it separately. That one is made of 100% stainless steel and so you are able to put it into the dishwasher. Moving on to the dough hook. The dough hook is used for kneading yeast dough. It really takes all the arm muscle out of it for you. It makes perfect pizza dough, homemade bread, coffee cakes, buns, even pasta dough. There's two styles of dough hooks. The C hook, which comes with most tilt head and bowl lift models. This kneads the dough by pushing it off the sides of the bowl. The second is the power knead dough hook. This one is shaped slightly like a corkscrew and it kneads the dough by pushing it off of the bottom of the bowl. It comes with some select larger capacity models. You should only use it with a model that it came with because using it on a stand mixer that it didn't come with could actually damage your mixer, even though it might look like it fits. And there you have it. There's some additional ways to use your stand mixer attachments. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be kept in the loop on new videos. For more recipes with and without your KitchenAid Stand Mixer, be sure to visit artformytable.com. See you next time.